Hello and welcome. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Anggel. So in this video, I am going to explain some rules of physics that happens in our everyday lives. The few examples that I took for this video is how this guitar produces sounds and different frequencies, and how does ballpoint pen work as you write. So I hope that at the end of this video you'll understand how these certain things work, and with no further ado, let's start. When you plug a guitar string, you will create a vibration called the standing wave. The vibration translates through the neck and the bridge to the guitar's body, where the sound vibrates inside the thin wood, jostling the surrounding air molecules together and apart. This sequential compression creates sound waves, and it will escape through the hole on your guitar and eventually to your ear, which these sound waves translate it into an electrical signal which our brain interpret as sound. There are four things that affect the frequency on the vibrating strings. First one is the length of the string. So if I pluck a guitar with no fret, it will create a really low pitch, right? So if I reduce the length of the string, let's just say I'm going to put my finger on the 7th fret, it creates higher notes. No fret, 7th fret. And second is the tension. So if I put my finger on the 7th fret and I give a tension in it, it changes the frequency of the guitar, of the sound. So usually musicians or people who plays guitar use this as call this a vibrato. So they put tension on the guitar. And the third one is the thickness of the guitar. So the thicker the guitar, the lower the voice they produce. So the thicker the guitar, it vibrates lower, creates a lower voice, a lower sound. And the thinner the guitar is, it vibrates faster, creating a high-pitched sound. The second is, how does a ballpoint pen work? The concept of pen is very simple. As we move the ballpoint across the paper that we are writing, the gravity pulls the ink down to the reservoir and puts the ink down on the surface of the ball. So this ball is located in between the ink reservoir by a socket. So this ball is usually made of steel or tungsten. So as the pen presses against the paper, the ink flows to the surface of the ball, which rolls and pulls the ink onto the surface. This rolling mechanism allows the ink to flow onto the surface of the ball and rolls, and finally on the surface that you are writing. The small gap between the ball and the socket allows the ball to rotate and leave a trail on the paper you're writing. So that's it for the video. Peace out.